In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable query insights for your Cloud SQL database in Google Cloud. As you know that in Google Cloud or GCP, you can have managed MySQL and Postgres databases on Cloud SQL. And Cloud SQL is a managed database service from GCP, just like you have RDS in AWS. I'll be using Terraform to as a infrastructure as code to provision a Cloud SQL database, both MySQL and Postgres, and then we'll see how you can embed query insights in that Terraform template. On your screen, you can see that I have a sample vanilla Terraform template, which you can use to accomplish query insights into the Cloud SQL database. Let's go through this Terraform template quickly to better understand it. On the first few lines from line number 1 to 14, all I'm doing is providing the Google Cloud provider to the Terraform, because when Terraform has to provision resources into GCP, it has to know where to put that resources. Right now, I am just using the source as there is Google plugin from HashiCorp registry with its version 4.44 in line number 5. And then as a provider, I'm using the developer playground in Google. If you have your own project in Google Cloud, you can mention it line number 12, and also you can set up your region accordingly. I'm using US Central one, the default one for now. And then on the subsequent lines from line number 17 to line number 31, I am creating a Cloud SQL instance for Postgres with various options, which I will go into shortly. And then from line number 34 to line number 50, I'm creating a MySQL instance in Google Cloud SQL. Now coming back to the Postgres instance, if you look at it, it is a simple resource in the Terraform, which is creating a Postgres database. We are specifying the name on line number 19, database version, deletion protection so that no one would be able to delete it accidentally. And then in the setting section, in the line number 24, we are specifying the query insights. These query insights help our users to detect, diagnose, and troubleshoot query performance related issues for Cloud SQL database, and in this case, the Postgres database. Query insights provide detailed query level telemetry and monitoring data to empower the users to investigate performance issues, root cause latency in the system, and fix problematic queries all in a single user experience. Now, query insights can be enabled for Cloud SQL as we are just seeing using Terraform. Now, as you can see in the query insights, I have specified four options. Query insights enabled, I have specified as true. Default is false because it might increase your cost a bit. So it's your decision. And then we are specifying the query string length, which is default to 1024. It could range from 256 to 4500 bytes. And if you change this configuration in an existing database instance, it will restart that database. Then you can set a record application tags to true. So if it is true, then query insights would also record application tags from the query when enabled. Then for the record client address, we have again specified true, and it tells query insights to record client IP address when it is enabled. So this is what we have for Postgres. For the MySQL one, again, same stuff, name, version, and all that things. And then in the setting section, we are specifying few of the query insight options. We already have seen the first four from line number 43 to line number 46. This one, query plan per minute, is a value like 12 that in 1 minute, query insight will check 12 query execution plans. And execution plan is simply a database concept where it is a path to access the data. A database can have multiple execution paths, which is the path to reach the data, and it selects the most fastest optimal path. Okay, so this is how we specify query insights in the Terraform template. Now let's have a quick look how to use it in action. The first thing with Terraform you do is you do Terraform init. Terraform init downloads the plugins and then initialize the Terraform. After that, you do Terraform validate to make sure this the syntax for Terraform template is fine. As you can see, the Terraform configuration is valid, which is great. And lastly, you can do Terraform plan to see what will be created by Terraform. Let me make this screen a bit bigger. Okay, so if I go up a little, you will see that these are all the resources which will be added by Terraform. So I did the Terraform plan, and then Terraform is using the Google Cloud provider to first create this SQL instance with all these options. Plus sign shows that it will be created, and then in the next section, this Terraform will be creating Postgres instance and all the plus signs. And at the end, it is giving you a summary that two will be added and nothing will be changed or destroyed. So this is how you create a Cloud SQL database in GCP by using Terraform with Query Insights enabled. I hope this was useful. If you have any comments or feedback, please put them in the video. Thank you very much.